Question 1. What is Amazon Kendra? The correct answer is B. Intelligent Enterprise Search Service. Question 2. What technology powers Kendra? The correct answer is B. Machine Learning and NLP. Question 3. Does Kendra require ML expertise? The correct answer is B. No, fully managed. Question 4. What type of queries does Kendra support? The correct answer is B. Natural language questions. Question 5. Can Kendra understand context? The correct answer is B. Yes, using deep learning. Question 6. What is an index in Kendra? The correct answer is B. Searchable repository of documents. Question 7. What is a data source? The correct answer is B. Repository connected to index, S3, SharePoint,
Question 8.
etc. What data sources does Kendra support? The correct answer is B. S3, SharePoint, Salesforce, ServiceNow,
Question
RDS, etc. Can Kendra connect to SharePoint? The correct answer is B. Yes, native connector. Question 10. Can Kendra connect to Salesforce? The correct answer is B. Yes, native connector. Question 11. What file formats does Kendra support? The correct answer is B. PDF, HTML, Word, PPT, text. Question 12. JSON, does Kendra
CSV
support incremental updates? The correct answer is B. Yes, sync only change documents. Question 13. What is a document? The correct answer is B. Individual content item indexed by Kendra. Question 14. What are document attributes? The correct answer is B. Metadata for filtering and faceting. Question 15. Can you filter search results? The correct answer is B. Yes, using document attributes. Question 16. What is relevance tuning? The correct answer is B. Adjust ranking to prioritize results. Question 17. Can you boost specific attributes? The correct answer is B. Yes, to increase relevance. Question 18. What is a FAQ? The correct answer is B. Question-answer pairs for direct answers. Question 19. Can Kendra provide direct answers? The correct answer is B. Yes, from FAQs and documents. Question 20. What is a suggested answer? The correct answer is B, extracted passage from document. Question 21. What is a document excerpt? The correct answer is B, relevant snippet from document. Question 22. Does Kendra rank results? The correct answer is B, yes, by relevance using ML. Question 23. Can Kendra learn from user feedback? The correct answer is B, yes, click feedback improves relevance. Question 24. What is query suggestions? The correct answer is B, autocomplete based on index content. Question 25. Does Kendra support synonyms? The correct answer is B, yes, custom thesaurus. Question 26. What is a thesaurus? The correct answer is B, define synonyms for better matching. Question 27. Can you customize stop words? The correct answer is B, yes, words to ignore in queries. Question 28. What Kendra editions are available? The correct answer is B, developer and enterprise. Question 29. What is developer edition for? The correct answer is B, testing and development. Question 30. What is enterprise edition for? The correct answer is B, production workloads. Question 31. Does Kendra support access control? The correct answer is B, yes, document level permissions. Question 32. What is user context filtering? The correct answer is B, show only documents user can access. Question 33. Can Kendra integrate with IAM? The correct answer is B, yes, for authentication and authorization. Question 34. Does Kendra support Active Directory? The correct answer is B, yes, for user access control. Question 35. Is data encrypted in Kendra? The correct answer is B, yes, at rest and in transit. Question 36. Can Kendra be deployed in VPC? The correct answer is B, yes, for private data sources. Question 37. What is the query API? The correct answer is B, submit search queries programmatically. Question 38. What is the Submit Feedback API? The correct answer is B, send click feedback for relevance tuning. Question 39. Can you customize the search experience? The correct answer is B, yes, using APIs and SDKs. Question 40. Does Kendra provide a search UI? The correct answer is B, yes, Experience Builder for no-code UI. Question 41. What is Experience Builder? The correct answer is B, Create Search Interface without coding. Question 42. Can Kendra handle multiple languages? The correct answer is B, yes, supports multiple languages. Question 43. What languages does Kendra support? The correct answer is B, English, Spanish, French, German, etc. Question 44. Can Kendra extract entities? The correct answer is B, yes, people, places, dates, etc. Question 45. Does Kendra support custom entities? The correct answer is B, yes, define domain-specific entities. Question 46. What is document enrichment? The correct answer is B, add metadata during ingestion with Lambda. Question 47. Can you use Lambda with Kendra? The correct answer is B, yes, for custom processing. Question 48. What is Kendra pricing based on? The correct answer is B, addition, queries, and storage. Question 49. Are there query limits? The correct answer is B, yes, varies by edition. Question 50. What are common use cases for Kendra? The correct answer is B, enterprise search, knowledge bases, support portals. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.